Hello my dear friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to create like this kinetic text typography animation in the After Effects. So make sure to watch till the end, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's jump right into the After Effects. So first of all, create any composition and name it main, and make the size 9020 by 1080 and duration 5 seconds, and hit OK. Type your text. So let's type this Black Friday and make it center line. Expand the text property and click on this animate and select this position. We have to move this position down, so make the second value 100 and expand the range selector and click on this add property opacity and make the opacity value 0% and expand the advance and change the set property to ramp up and make the ease high 25% and change the offset to -100% and add the keyframe in the beginning and go to the 25 frames and make it +100% and it will animate like this. After that, click on this motion blur. So now press U to see these keyframes and go to the 50 frames and press S to add the scale keyframe. Press U to see both of these keyframes and go to the 25 frames end of this keyframe and change the scale value. So let's make it 77% and it should animate like this. After that, select all of these keyframes, press F9 to ease them and Ctrl to duplicate this text layer and expand the text layer, expand the text and select the animator 1 and delete this animation and press S and delete these keyframes as well and go to the end of this keyframe and select this second text layer and hold Alt left square bracket to trim the layer. Go to the few seconds forward, so I'm going to here and select this layer and hold Alt right square bracket to trim this layer. Okay, after that select this layer, second layer and move it up like this and change the fill to stroke. So click on this arrow icon. It will serve the color, so it's a stroke now and make the stroke value 1 pixel. After that, Ctrl to duplicate and move it up like this and move this third layer to right side middle of this second layer. Okay, so now select again this third layer, Ctrl to duplicate and move it again to the right side middle of this third layer and this should go up like this. It will animate like this. Okay, so now select all of these 3 layers and Ctrl to duplicate and move it up and change the color of this. So let's make it yellow and look all of these 3 red layers and this first layer should go here down and second layer let's move it here and third layer should go here. After that, go at the 2 seconds, add the offset keyframe, so click on it and go to the few seconds forward 2.20 frame seconds and change the offset -100% and make the render area 3 seconds. And this animation is completed and I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you face any problem, you can ask in the comments. So meet in the next video. Till then, take care and keep creating. Bye bye.